My name is Christian Langton. I work as a support engineer for Velo IT Group.
My name is Matthew Thibodeau. I am a support engineer with Velo IT Group.
Typical day at Velo is pretty much an atypical day. You never know what you're going to get into when you walk in the door. It could be anything from application issues to, hey, I need a password reset, or maybe you're deploying new equipment or a new technology that the customer needs to work efficiently. And that's a part of why I love this job, is that I'm not coming in and doing the same mundane things every day and just plugging in password resets. And it's a way to kind of get out of your comfort zone and experience things that you may not have ever experienced before. I've learned that technology really is a small portion of what you need to know as a support engineer. It really does help. I mean, I'm not going to tell you that you don't need to know any technology, but you really do have to interface at a personal level with clients and understand what their needs are. And in order to support them efficiently, you kind of have to dig at a personal level. And that's one thing that I've learned working here, is that, you know, everybody has a different way of doing things, and you can't just apply the same fixes across the board. You have to really understand how the clients work and what their environment is like.
With Velo, I've really experienced it, and what I've gained is everything I know about IT. Whenever I came here, I came from a grocery store with no experience. I was in college, so within 3 months I moved into a dispatcher role and didn't even know how to change password in Active Directory. Today, I've actually just set up 2 domain controllers and Active Directory just last week. So in the 4 years I've been here, I've gained all of my IT knowledge. Best person in a support role, I would say, is you just be competent. It's really, you just have to be able to be molded into what Velo is. The Velo method is something that's completely different than from most other IT companies. You can't come in with the mindset of something else. You be ready to change.
Somebody who would do well in the support position is somebody who is a good communicator and has some technical skill. The best thing about this job is that you get to work with many different clients at any given part of the day, and really helping them further their business and making them a more reliable and efficient employee for their organization. I feel there's a lot of reward in that. And somebody could come in here with, a decent amount of technical know-how, but if you know how to engage and understand clients and their technology at a really good level, then I think you'll do very good working for Velo IT.